Railways has set an ambitious target under the Mission 2025. The target is that by year 2025, Railways will achieve a freight movement of 3,000 metric ton. And in the same direction, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav chaired an important meeting with the industry players of the cement sector, cement manufacturers. They were the part of this meeting, and the larger message that was conveyed is that now the government is reaching up to the private players, and they are requesting that if you come up with a long-term contract, if you give an assured volume, then all the problems or whatever the obstacles the industry is facing, that will be removed, overcome by the Indian Railways. Now, couple of assurances that was given by the minister in this important meeting, and that has been informed by the sources, is that PM Gati Shakti Multimodal Logistics Center will be set up. For the same, tenders have been floated and more tenders will be floated in the upcoming time. Another assurance was that at the strategic centers across the country, these storehouses or the warehouses will be set up for the cement industry for the easy movement of the cement through the rail transport. In addition to this, we have seen in the past that a considerable chunk has been lost to the road sector, especially in short distances, which is less than 500 kilometers. So now Railways is looking to rationalize the freight rate so that these short distances freight movement, or specifically the cement movement, can be brought back to the railway sector. So these are a couple of assurances that has been conveyed, but the bigger part is that the cement industry has been asked that you have to come on board and you have to come up with a long-term contract with the railways, and rest assured that whatever the problems are, like the availability of wagons, building up new railway line for a easy and time-bound freight movement of cement. So these all will be done and taken care of by Indian Railways. An important meeting was chaired by the Railway Minister, and now it is up to the cement sector or the industry players that how they respond to the call given by the Railway Minister.